Hello, bachcho. Let's read this question. This question says there is a two list. List one equation and list two is the solution. So we have to match it with list one and list two. So four questions are there, four solutions are there. We have to match it. So first question is given here. That is, if maximum theta belongs to R, 5 sine theta plus 3 sine theta minus alpha is equal to 7, then the set of the all possible values of alpha is. We have to solve this problem. So first of all, you start with the question number A, that is given 5 of sine of theta plus 3 sine theta A minus B. What is the formula? Sine theta cos alpha minus cos theta sine alpha, that is equal to, so this one, so you have to solve it like, that is 5 plus 3 of, you can write down this thing as cos of alpha into sine theta, and rest of the part is 3 sine alpha cos theta after doing the simple calculation. So you have to find out, that is the maximum of theta is belongs to R, which is given in the problem, that is 5 sine theta plus 3 sine of theta minus alpha, bracket close, so that you get, this is under root of, what you get, that is 5 plus 3 of cos alpha whole square plus 9 of sine square of alpha. So after doing the simplification, you get 34 plus 30 of cos of alpha. You get this thing. Therefore, we have to solve it in details. Therefore, the given equation is, therefore the given equation is 34 plus 30 of cos of alpha is equal to 49. So you can write down cos of alpha is equal to 1 by of 2 after calculation. So alpha is equal to 2n pi plus minus of pi by 3, where n belongs to of z. You can write down this way. So this is match with which option? So A is match with Q. So you write down here that A is match with Q. So this one done. Now we move to the next problem. X not equals to n pi by 2 and cos x to the power sine square x minus 3 sine x plus 2 is equal to 1. So we have to solve the question number B. We have to solve it here so that you can check that which of the option is correct for this problem. So that is given here, cos x to the power of sine square of x minus of 3 of sine x plus of 2 is equal to 1. So cos 0 is equal to 1, so that you can write down this thing, that is of sine square of x minus of 3 of sine x plus of 2, that is equal to 0. So if you do the simplification, so sine x minus of 2 into sine x minus of 1 equal to 0. So sine x equal to 2, which is not possible. So you get here sine x is equal to 1. But this is does not satisfy. You can write down this thing also. But this is does not satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation. Because why it is not satisfied, that you have to mention. Because 0 degree is equal to 1 is absurd, is absurd, so which is not possible. So you have to mark it that this is the absurd, and this solution also you have to mark it, this one. So so no solution for this case, so you have to mark it, that is this one is equal to the option S. So B is with S. Now we move to the third problem, that is of question number of C, that is given, that is root under sin x plus 2 to the power 1 by 4 cos x equal to 0. So we have to solve this question number C, so that you understand that what is the correct result. So you start the solution of C, that is given, that is under root of sin x plus 2 to the power 1 by 4 of cos x is equal to 0. So that you can write down that root under of sin x is greater than 0. So cos x is less than 0, you can write down. Also, you write down everything so that you can understand very easily, that is sin of x greater than 0. So greater than 0 means x lies in which quadrant? X lies in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant, x lies in the second quadrant. So this is equation 1, put it equation 1. So equation 1 can be rewritten 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 as 2 to the power 1 by 4 cos x is equal to minus root 2 of sin x. You can write down. If you square both of the side, so that you get 2 root 2 of cos square of x is equal to sin x. So this thing is also written as root 2 of sin square of x plus of sin x minus of root 2 is equal to 0. So you do the simplification, that root 2 of sin x minus of 1 into sin x plus of root 2 is equal to 0. So that you can write down that sin x is not equal to minus of root 2 and sin x is equal to 1 by of root 2. So x is equal to 3 pi by 4. So the general solution, so the general solution, what is the general solution? X is equal to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So this is the general solution, 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So we move to the options and check that which one is correct. So C is match with P. C with match with question number P. Answer solution number P. Next one, log base 5 tan x equal to log base 5 4 and log base 4 3 sin x. So you have to solve this problem. That is question number of we have to solve this question number of D. So we move to the solution. That is the solution of question number of D. That is given in the problem. You can see that is given log of 5 base of tan x is equal to log of 5 base 4. Also you can write down log of 4 base 3 sin x. You can write down this way. Then log of 5 base tan x is equal to log of 5 base, this is the log formula, of 3 of sin x. So you put this equation number is 1. Since you have to solve it. That is, log x is real when x greater than 0. So we have, what you can say, that we have that tan of x is greater than 0 and sine of x is greater than 0. Therefore, x lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So x lies in the first quadrant. Now the equation 1, x lies in first quadrant, so equation 1, tan of x is equal to 3 of sine of x, or cos of x is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 2n pi plus of cos inverse of 1 by 3, because x is equal to this, and n belongs to z. So we match this option. So x is equal to 2n pi cos inverse of 1 by 3, n belongs to z. So we move to the options and check. That is, option D is the match with R. So option D, question number D, is match with R. So this is the solution. That is A with P, B with S, C with P, and R with D. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.